What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I don't know if this is it. We're going to be replacing the trunk latch. If not, then you're never gonna see this. But before anything, guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Hit that red bell. Subscribe. But now let's get to it. Let's open this, and if it is, guys, you already know, trunk getting fixed. About fucking time. All right, let me turn the camera on, guys. All right, so let's see. Yeah.
Hey, it's drawing Puma.
What the hell is all of that? Oh, hell no. This is making a mess. Look at my pants. Oh, I think it might be it. Give me a second, guys. So, let's open this up. Okay. Looks like the one. Now we gotta take the old one out, put the new one in, and see how it goes. So alrighty, guys. First thing first, we're gonna pull these off. Basically just twist and pull on both sides. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Then, should I pop this out? Nah. Alright, let's see. Alright, so basically let's just pop this out. Oh. Alright, let's get a flat hat real quick. Oh wait, let's try this blade. One is popped out. That's popped out. That's popped out. That's popped out. That's broken. All right, 2 10 mils. Trunk latch off here. Alright, let's get those 2 10 mils off first. Don't really know how to take that out, but I'm not trying to break it. So I'm gonna just pop majority of it. Oh snap. That is a mess in there. And it's another one right over here. Ow. Oh no, this is one, and then the other one is over here. Damn, this is becoming a pain. Feel like that should get out of the way somehow, but you don't want to. Let's try the adjustable wrench. No, I don't think this is gonna work. Nope. Alright, somehow, some way, I need to get this 10 mil in there. There we go. That's one screw, then the other screw. If anybody knows how to take this truck liner out, let me know, because I want to take it out completely. And that's the other screw. Oh, there's just problems left and right now. Ow. Oh, there we go. Come out. And just take this out. There. Let's leave that unplugged for last. Take this out completely. Then old one out. Let's get the new one. And new one, pretty similar, in my opinion. You know you can get in the car, right? Yeah, pretty much the same. Now we gotta like, wait. Let's plug the trunk sensor in. Ow. There's that. There's, oh, one away. That's probably something I should have paid attention on. What holes it went in. Alright. That's there. And we gotta sneak this in there somehow. Oh. There. That's in. There's there. Let's grab the new screws now. No sense, new hardware, why not? Alright, so let's put the first hole in. Then the second screw in. Oh, brother man, brother man, brother man. We're just gonna make this a little tight. Now we just put everything back together. Oh, you bugging out. Get that shit out of here. There. Now pop this back on. That goes there. Put these nuts, nipple things back on. Yo, bro. Get out of here. Yeah, or whatever the hell that is. Trying to sting me, trying to give me old itchy for the day. Skirt. There's that. And pull this out. Put that back in there with the rest. Ow! You know what? Ah, man. This one's being a pain in the butt to get in there. Alright, let's try somewhere else that maybe lost one. Like right here. Oh, damn.